Hi guys, it's Bailey here at Colonial Gardens, and today we're going to do a quick lesson on how to take care of the orchids. The ones we have here in front of me are Phalaenopsis orchids. It's the ones you're going to find most commonly in stores. They're very simple to take care of, so let's do a quick rundown. So an orchid is planted in a basic orchid bark. They are epiphytes who naturally grow on trees instead of in soil, so that's what's going to make them survive the best. You will want to put them in an east or a south facing window so they get a nice bright light. That'll help them bloom and get you the best color out of those. You will water these guys once a week. I suggest feeding them when you water. They do like to eat weekly or at least monthly, so you can add your water-based fertilizer into it, and then you take your plant, you water your roots down and get them nice and soaked, and you let it drain out of the bottom of that pot. You never want an orchid pot to hold too much water because it will rot your roots out, and you also never want to use ice cubes on the roots like some people have mentioned. The cold on the ice cube will actually damage your root system over time and can be very bad for the plant. So do a nice healthy soak till your roots are very green and you're ready to roll. They're going to continue to bloom for a very long time. You can put them anywhere in the house whenever they are blooming. When they stop that bloom cycle, you want to cut your bloom stick off and then actually move your orchid to a cooler place in your house for it to do almost a period of dormancy, which is actually going to help push a bloom spike in the future and make it bloom again. So you do move it for 2 to 3 months in the fall to a cooler spot in the house, and that helps it do its rebloom, and then you'll end up with beautiful blooming orchids all year long.